Well, basically, on the 2nd of June, we're doing a big event which is going to be at the PC Hotel. And it's going to be the first ever boxing event, which is going to be for professional fighters. We have international professional fighters coming from Europe, England, and Ireland. So this is something new for Pakistan. This has never happened here before. And this is why I want to bring here, because I want to promote the country, also want to promote boxing here. And on the 4th of June, I open my Aamir Khan Academy, the first one in Pakistan, which will be in Islamabad, inshallah. That's right, yeah, we want to spread in different places. For example, we know in Karachi, in Layari, there's some great fighters there. So we want to promote boxing in those areas. Also in Lahore, maybe one time. And different areas in Karachi, we want to build gyms. And going back to the boxing event that we're doing on the 2nd of June, the money we raise for that event, we will go to Tar and we will spend for water wells. Because this summer is going to be very, very hot, and we really need some clean, healthy water for the people there. And I couldn't believe how much talent there is there. We could produce so many champions and world champions from Pakistan, not only from Layari, but there's other areas in Pakistan where the boxers are very strong. They have good fitness, they have good techniques. All they need is gymnasiums and somebody to support them. I'm here to do that now. Inshallah, within the next couple of years, you will see a big change.